Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into Facebook on a trusted device. This reduces lockout risk. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Next, open Security and Login. This is where authentication controls live. Make sure your primary phone number or email is current because Facebook will send codes there. If you have a password manager, keep it open for quick entry. Now that you're at Security and Login, look for two-factor authentication and select Manage to begin configuration. You'll see options: Authentication app, text message, and security key. Pick the one that fits your security needs. If you choose an authenticator app, open your app, scan the QR code Facebook shows, then enter the 6-digit code it generates. This links the app to your account. If you choose SMS, confirm the number with a code Facebook sends. Once a primary method works, make sure to save the backup codes and add a secondary phone or key, because redundancy keeps you from getting locked out. After adding methods, enable two-factor authentication and review trusted devices so you don't need a code every time on those. Test by logging out and back in to confirm a code is required. If you can't receive codes, use one of your saved backup codes or switch to an authenticator app if SMS fails. If you're locked out, follow Facebook's identity verification flow. Upload requested documents when prompted. Make sure to update backup options immediately after you regain access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.